Poor little sausages.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. We've just unboxed a rubbish birch box, but we've got something to cheer us up, haven't we, Mum?
I hope so.
And what is it?
It weighs a ton. It is the Good Housekeeping Beauty Edit box.
Yeah.
And I will read it out, shall I?
She's just going to read it off the computer while I...
Limited edition Good Housekeeping Beauty Edit has been chosen by somebody or other, featuring over £200 worth of beauty must-haves, including 6 full-size products, and it's £40.
How
And
pretty
it's really pretty, and it weighs a ton.
It's really heavy.
Yeah, don't think you should be lifting it in your condition.
I know.
Should you?
How pretty is that? Oh, wow.
That's just the outer sleeve.
That is so pretty. Thumbnail. Smile.
Oh. I wonder what a thumbnail was. Look, have you seen that? Carol did these for me the other day.
Crap.
It's a little bit
Carol,
of a
if
gap
you watch
there.
this, don't quit your day job.
I think my nail has grown a bit too much.
So this is it. We have done one of these before, haven't we?
Yes, last year.
So I'll try and link that as well if I can
Yeah.
find it. This is so heavy. Okay.
Careful.
Right. I'll be in charge of this bit and you can...
I'll be in charge of this bit. Goodness me.
Oh, something smells nice.
It does smell nice, doesn't it? I just thought that. Right, oh my goodness me. Right, we'll start off with
Dr. Pawpaw.
Dr. Pawpaw.
This is
original
This
balm.
is in every single beauty box.
But what is it?
It's like a lip balm or a dry skin balm.
Soothing balm.
Yeah, they're really good.
Multi-purpose. Twins. Go, triplets.
Yeah. But it's nice.
It's good, is it?
Yeah, really nice. It's good for lips.
Oh, it's got
or,
a piece of thing over it. So
if you've got dry skin or anything like that.
Okay, that's good.
So that's a full size one.
Is it?
Yeah. Stack it up.
Right. Doctor, did you see it, everybody?
They know, everyone in the world
okay.
knows what Dr. Pawpaw
Right,
is.
the next thing is
Oh,
a Radial Glamo Lash extra large mascara.
Rodial.
Oh, Rodial.
Rodial. Glamo Lash is such a nice mascara. I don't know how much in the... I'll try and find the prices and put them on the screen. It's sealed. Do you need a mascara at the moment?
Probably.
I was going to say, we'll open it then. If not,
I can't.
Of course you can.
It's
Look.
not, I'm
There's
not
a plastic tearing bit.
Sorry, dear.
Of course there is.
Is there?
Yeah, look, just there.
Oh, I didn't see.
How have you got to your age without knowing?
I don't know.
where the
It's
plastic
amazing,
tearing
really,
bit
isn't it?
This is such a nice mascara. I've had like loads of samples of it.
And you never had a real one?
No, here you go.
Ooh.
From what I remember, I think it is a big brush.
Here you go, look.
Oh, here we go.
Doesn't tell
No,
you.
it doesn't. No, I can put all that on
prices.
here. So I'll put the prices on the screen. But this is a really nice mascara.
Is it? Shall we
Yeah.
undo it, everybody?
Let's undo it.
Oh, it really feels chunky. And it feels really gooey and sticky. Look, sticky and gooey.
Have you got mascara on?
No,
Put some on.
I don't know if I can.
Why not?
Because I can't see.
There's a mirror just there.
I know, but I still can't. No, I can't. You put them on me then.
I can't. It's impossible to put mascara on other people. Boom! Look. Let me hold the mirror close to you.
Won't make any difference. Right, that's that. Lovely.
Lovely
Two
job.
good things so far. Next thing is a little pink thing called
Crabtree and elephant. Oh,
Crabtree
elephant!
and
Every
Evelyn.
time! I call it Crabtree and elephant.
Old World Jasmine something or other.
Hand cream.
And it's only a tiny little sample. And
It'd be nice for your handbag.
Yeah, it's a very good size for your handbag.
Crabtree and elephant.
Yeah.
Literally every time.
Crabtree and Evelyn. Then we've got this.
That's Rodial as well.
It's a Rodial Suede Lips.
I don't know if this colour's going to be for you. It looks like a nude.
I think I got this. I could pick, and I think I picked.
I can tell you, it looks like you picked a nude, which
Yeah.
is not a colour that you wear.
But it would be a colour you wear.
I wear nudes, yeah, but you don't.
Yes, but what
you
are
wear
they like
reds.
as lipsticks this
They're
make?
okay, from what I remember. I always preferred the mascaras to the lipstick.
There you are. Try that on there. Oh, that's my handbag making a noise. Excuse me a minute.
Oh, it might be a bit brown for me, and it's very dry.
Hello?
Driest lipstick. Look, it's like
nice.
no.
I quite like it though. It's a nice colour.
Feels horrible.
Oh, does it?
It feels, I need some, can you get me a bit of cotton wool? It feels horrible.
Oh dear. We're not
It's
doing
like
very
just
well.
really dry.
Not doing very well here, are we?
Here we are.
Are we? We're doing a proper review though, aren't we?
Yeah. I don't like that.
Don't you?
No. It's a lovely colour.
It is a lovely colour.
But it's just
Could
really...
you mix it with some sort of...
Possibly, but that is just so dry.
Right, okay. Ugh. Right, now we've got Nails Ink Gel
Ooh, that's
Effect.
a new colour.
Look at that as a nail varnish. That is beautiful.
St James gel, is that what it's called? St James? Yeah, St James. That is such a mum colour.
That's lovely, and I like the pot as well.
Oh yeah, nails ink pots are lovely.
Are they? What's the brush
You just
like?
pull it off,
Oh.
and then there's a little...
Oh, I see.
Otherwise it's too hard to... That's a
Oh,
really
it's a
nice
nice
colour.
brush as well.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks
And that's
good.
full size.
Yeah.
And we've got there's little vouchers and everything, so you... Oh no, there's no point in that one because
Right, ready?
that's expired.
Johannesford Intensive Mask for hair.
Not only does this rich hair mask add a luxuriously glossy finish, its sunflower seed and keratin based formula helps to repair hair that has been damaged by colour and styling.
Well, shall we have a sniff?
Yeah.
I bet it'll have it.
She doesn't like the seals.
I don't like the seals. Years ago they didn't have seals on anything.
Yeah, no, but years ago it was healthy
It
to
was
smoke.
safer everywhere,
It was
wasn't
healthy
it?
to smoke years ago apparently. It was promoted. Christ, Mum, you're popular!
I am popular, aren't I?
Oh, that smells nice.
No, that's a potential fraud. We don't do that one. Right,
Smells
so
nice.
that was nice. So how many have we got so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. No, 6.
6 things.
One
so
bad
far.
one.
No, we'll put that
No,
there.
I'm just putting the bad ones over this side.
Alright then, okay. Right, next I've got this little squirty
Saint
thing.
Tropez. This is Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. So this
Ooh.
is a
Self-tan.
fake tan for your face. I used the water mousse last year and it was quite nice.
Yeah, look.
But this is for your face.
So I might give that a go.
She's brave.
Was that enough of a
I don't
demo
dare.
for that?
This smells amazing. If it's the same as the smells like coconuts. If it smells the same as the.
this is what
Wait a sec. Yeah, smells lovely.
Oh, it does smell nice. Right. Next thing, we have got a giant bag.
West Lab Sleep Bath Salts. It's a kilo. Add a
That's
sprinkling
why
of
the
salts.
box weighs so much.
Yeah, lavender and jasmine. That sounds amazing.
It does smell nice, doesn't it?
Josh will steal them.
No, well you might be allowed to have a little bit because I don't do baths.
No, I have bath.
Do you? Would you like to keep that, darling?
And then Josh can't have them.
Would you like to keep it? Really? Let me know how it goes.
Yeah, I love bath salts.
Be careful, those heavy.
I want to open it and smell it.
Oh, honestly.
I love lavender.
Oh, you are a little vandal. It's all this mushroom
Oh,
and
it
you're not
smells
even
so
in it
good.
yet.
It smells so good.
Oh, I can smell it.
Oh, it smells lovely.
Oh my goodness, that is like
That smells so
concentrated
nice.
lavender.
That is lovely.
That's going to make the whole house smell of lavender.
What this plastic layer is. That's what was confusing me. It's the plastic layer on the outside.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, that smells amazing.
Yeah. So I bet they're expensive.
I will put everything on the screen. And you can get 20% off with them until the 19th of September. And I'll put that code and everything down below.
Right, then the next thing I've got is a
Balance
Me Pure Skin Face Wash. What's no good?
Oh, I don't like it.
Why, what's wrong with
My
it?
skin just doesn't like it for some reason.
They are.
Quite a lot of people love it. And there's like a primer as well, a Balance Me primer.
No.
That people absolutely love. And I hate it. I can't stand it. That doesn't want to fucking focus. But that's 40 ml, so that's quite a good, again, that's good for like going on holidays and stuff.
Next thing I've got
It's a huge
is
box.
a show.
Oh, I'm stealing this!
No, you're not
I'm
stealing this.
What is it, Mum?
It's a spray.
For finishing your makeup that you don't wear.
Oh no, I don't, do I? I thought it was just to make you feel
No.
spritzy.
Look,
No.
Get it open, get it open, get it
Oh,
open.
I don't believe that.
Get it open.
Oh,
Get it open. And
I'm
spray
missing
you.
out here.
I'm going to spray
No,
you.
you can't spray me because I haven't got any makeup
I
on.
don't care, I'm still going to spray you. The girls make me spray them.
Oh, look at this.
It's an aerosol one as well.
Oh my goodness me,
So
how
this is a beauty spritz
that
must have.
cost?
It will give exceptional hold without well, it's for hair.
Beautiful.
Oh no, it's for hair. It's a good job it didn't spray on your face, it's for your hair.
Is it? Well, you can have that anyway.
Yeah, let's
Do you
give
want
it
it?
let's give it a spray and see what it smells like.
Smells like hairspray.
Yeah. How fancy pants is that?
That is fancy, isn't it?
Yeah, the girls love hairspray.
Beautiful, that is, isn't it?
Very pretty. I've never heard of that before.
No.
A beauty spritz. A beauty must have a spritz of this and it will give you exceptional hold, adding volume and lift without making your hair feel crunchy or sticky.
Well,
So you definitely don't need it. No.
Thanks. Right, next thing I've got is Skin. Iceland.
Icelandic Relief Eye Cream. This is a little tiny sample, but I don't think you probably need a lot. Oh, it's a very tiny sample. It's 4 grams.
Yeah, it's not a lot there.
I've not heard of that before.
No? Well, there you go.
You can pat it under your eyeballs.
There, Skin.
Let me try and see if this camera's going to stop being a knob. Go on, camera. Sort of.
Right, so how many things are we up to so far? 1,
Dunno.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
11. Right, now we have Ren.
Ooh, Ren's lovely.
Ren Radiance Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream.
Ren.
What does this do?
It's just a nice, where is it? Brightening vitamin C and magnesium will leave skin radiant. And there's 20% off at Ren Skincare using the code that I'll put on the screen until the 30th of June.
Right, so this one is, well, you just put it in your skin like that.
Don't waste it on your don't waste it on your hands.
You put it on your face, do
Yeah.
you? Okay, sorry.
Ren is lovely for skincare.
Right, that is that.
Yes.
And if you can see it, I'm not very good at this.
It's my camera, Mum. It's not you. It's
not
the camera.
me. Okay. Right. So the next
The
thing
camera just hates me for some reason. I don't really care though, to be
we're
honest.
going for is something is called Tea Tonic Shower Wash.
A shower wash and body lotion. You've got 2 of these. This is
Oh yes, a
set.
shower lotion.
Tea tonic.
Tea Tonic.
Miller Harris.
Ooh,
That doesn't smell of anything. Does
that
that?
smells a little bit.
That smells of nothing. Nope. They smell, they're alright though.
Yeah.
Again, for holidays
Yeah.
and stuff.
Perfect.
Little travel size ones.
Diddy. And then we've got an antioxidant lip balm, organic pharmacy.
So Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm 7 ml, a handbag essential with shea butter, rosehip oil and vitamin E. So this might smell of rose. Does it?
No.
I want to put some lip balm on. You have a little bit. After that horrible lipstick.
A bit more.
No, that's alright. No, that's
It
nice.
doesn't smell. An antioxidant lip balm.
No, it literally smells of nothing.
No. That's that one.
That's nice.
That's that box.
And then the last one is definitely
thing
rose. But people
is
tell me this doesn't smell of rose, so you can...
Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil.
This features a lot in a lot of beauty boxes and people
Does it?
love it, but I've never actually... I think I opened one once and I thought I could smell rose, but everyone says it doesn't. So, that's the box.
Oh, it's got like a droppery thing.
Yeah, I like anything with a dropper. It makes
No,
me
it
feel
doesn't
fancy
smell of
pants.
rose. It hasn't got that horrible rosy smell.
Just squeeze it. There you go. No,
No, it's quite nice.
you might like that. I don't like putting oils on my face.
Mmm.
But you've got very dry skin, so that
I
would probably
have,
be
yes.
very good for you.
Right then, so that's the box. So
That says
what
this-
did you think to that, everybody?
That's it. Can be used. You can add that to your foundation for an extra glow.
If I had some foundation.
No, that doesn't
Am
smell
I going
rose.
to get that? You're having that, aren't you? The hairspray.
Yeah, I'm only having the sleep stuff and the hairspray, and that's
Okay.
it. Everything else is yours.
Right. Okay. I'll put it all back in here then.
So what did we think? Would you pay for it? How much was it?
Well, it was,
They're meant to be. It's £40 on the website,
Yeah.
but it's worth 200.
Yes, but because I have Good Housekeeping magazine, I got it for 32.
So barjam,
It was a good deal.
barjam.
Yeah, much better selection than the old.
Well, yeah. If you think Birchbox costs £12.95,
for those microscopic
and they're teeny
little
tiny little crap
Ouija
balls.
Wotsits. Yeah, I can get the birch box inside this one.
Yeah. So I think that was really good. I'll link it down below, and there is a lot. I need that. I need this.
Oh, sorry,
steal
Pop
that.
it. No, I don't
There's
need that.
lots of discount codes on here. Some of them have already expired because this comes out quarterly, doesn't it?
Well, once a year.
Is it? Oh, it's once a year, is it?
I think
So some of the codes don't work anymore, but the ones that do, I'll link down below for you guys.
so. So where's the lid gone?
Behind me, I threw
Right,
it.
okay. There we go.
Outro, please.
Yeah, well, I hope you like looking in my box today, because this is a bit different as a box, isn't it? And I think it was really good. So it'd be interesting to see what you think if you've had one, or whether you decide to get one.
Or if you use any of the codes, or if you've used anything in it, let us know.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But no, I thought that's pretty good.
One dud item, which was the lipstick.
Yeah.
And it's a lovely colour. It just felt really, really dry. I'm sure, like, if you put lip balm or... I can't be bothered to do that. That fly is huge.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure it won't eat you. So, yeah, you're keeping that, aren't you?
Yeah.
To do all your bits and pieces with.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye.